Welcome to Inside Factory. Like, subscribe, and press the bell. Precision incubation ensures strong hatch rates and healthy chicks.
Regular equipment checks ensure stable hatching conditions. The production cycle begins in hatcheries, where temperature and humidity are precisely controlled. Stress monitoring helps farmers adjust conditions when needed.
Automated systems quickly sort chicks to streamline early-stage farm operations.
Low-stress environments support steady growth and productivity.
Inside modern American poultry farms, thousands of chickens are raised together for efficient food production.
Automated water systems provide constant access, helping maintain hydration and overall flock health.
Feed lines deliver precise nutrition, ensuring consistent growth and uniform weight across the flock.
High-density housing maximizes output, but limited space can increase stress and competition. Controlled lighting and ventilation create stable indoor conditions throughout changing seasons.
Routine vaccinations protect birds from disease outbreaks common in large-scale farming environments.
Daily inspections help farmers quickly identify health concerns and maintain productivity.
Efficient waste systems reduce contamination risks and support better environmental control.
Different farming systems offer varying levels of space, comfort, and natural behavior opportunities. Large processing plants handle thousands of birds daily to meet national demand.
Some farms now use renewable energy to lower costs and reduce environmental impact.
Careful management ensures birds receive proper nutrition and consistent daily care. Wire flooring helps manage waste, though it limits comfort and natural movement. Lighting schedules are designed to support growth and maintain steady production cycles.
High-quality feed storage prevents spoilage and protects bird health.
Transcription. Strong airflow reduces heat, moisture, and harmful ammonia inside enclosed barns.
Natural behaviors like pecking continue even in controlled environments.
Limited space often forces birds to rest closely together for long periods.
Regular cleaning reduces bacteria and helps maintain a healthier environment.
Preventive health care is essential when managing thousands of birds in one location.
Digital monitoring helps track growth rates, feed use, and overall flock performance. Collected waste is managed carefully to prevent pollution and odor issues.
Cage-free systems allow more movement, but require different management strategies.
Some facilities add perches and enrichment to improve bird comfort.
Automated sensors maintain ideal temperatures for health and productivity.
Bright eyes and clean feathers often indicate good overall condition.
Modern drinkers reduce water waste and keep supplies cleaner.
Access to litter allows all birds to express more natural behaviors.
Light cycles help regulate rest periods and reduce stress.
Proper feeder space helps reduce competition and aggressive behavior. Large-scale design allows farms to produce efficiently, within limited space.
Early removal prevents disease from spreading through the flock.
Environmental enrichment can reduce boredom and harmful behaviors.
Temperature control is critical during hot summer conditions.
Precise feed control supports consistent growth across the entire flock. Outdoor access allows exercise, sunlight, and natural exploration. Indoor systems focus on protection, efficiency, and environmental control.
Routine checks help detect mites and other health risks early.
Active birds often show better physical and mental condition. Uniform feed distribution prevents uneven growth and competition.
Adequate drinker space helps maintain calm flock behavior.
Comfort and space directly influence long-term bird health. Balanced humidity supports respiratory health and feather quality.
Data-driven decisions improve efficiency and reduce operational losses. Strong appetite is often a key indicator of flock health.
Movement opportunities support stronger muscles and bone health.
Clean air systems prevent harmful gas buildup inside barns.
Advanced lighting supports growth and metabolic health. Sanitized water systems help prevent disease transmission. Foraging activities provide mental stimulation for confined birds. Renewable energy is becoming part of modern poultry operations.
Processed manure can be reused as valuable agricultural fertilizer. Shade structures protect birds while allowing outdoor access.
Natural light exposure can improve overall bird behavior.
Simple enrichment tools help reduce aggression and feather pecking.
Constant monitoring prevents dangerous heat or cold stress.
Even limited movement opportunities benefit physical health. The future of poultry farming depends on balancing efficiency, welfare, and sustainable production.
Automated belts move eggs safely from cages to processing areas with minimal handling.
Eggs are automatically sorted by size and quality before packaging.
Cleaning and sanitizing ensures eggs meet strict food safety standards. Traceability systems allow producers to track freshness and origin.
Workers remove cracked or damaged eggs before distribution.
Automation reduces labor while increasing handling speed and accuracy. Careful handling reduces breakage during internal farm transport.
Natural light exposure can improve overall bird behavior.
Product labels help consumers choose based on welfare and farming practices.
American shoppers increasingly consider ethics, quality, and sustainability when purchasing eggs.
Thank you for watching this factory tour. Like and subscribe for more industrial videos.